says I blew the driveway today, but only enough for us to get out. There's a 10-foot space between our mailbox, which is the side of the road, and where the snow hasn't been plowed. So, since I had a problem with my snowblower collecting wet snow, I cleaned my auger out and my back of my blower out, and uh, put some water on it to get rid of most of the snow that was left on the auger. And then I dried it with a towel after it sat for a little while, because I don't even think it's freezing yet. As a matter of fact, let's check it. So I cleaned it out with this, cleaned the snow out. It was 25. Well, it's cold. So anyway, I cleaned it out, doused it with hot water or warm water, and got rid of most of the snow that's on the auger, and then let it sit for a little while, and then went out and I dried the auger with a towel, old towel that I had, and then I went out after a while and I sprayed it with, I didn't have WD-40, so I sprayed it with Pam. You know that girl, Pam Bondi, down in D.C.? You know that attorney general for the country? Yeah, Pam. And then I called my oil guy because I got half a tank. And he says, we are closed. We are closed for emergencies. And click, I turned it off. I didn't want to hear anymore. But I did go out into the back of the garage, the back of the garage, and opened the door and cleaned out around the house so that he could get, when he has time to get to the uh, oil filler, he could get in. So that he could get in. So I won't have to go out there again to, well, maybe just get a little bit off of the ground. But, it was a good foot and a half back there. Because it blows around the garage, it just settles in behind the garage. So I did that and called them, they're closed. So now I'm sitting watching some TV because we do have electricity. And if not, I have a generator. And it lights up the house, people. The whole in-house. You're welcome.